Seeds of Wisdom RV and Economic Updates, Saturday morning, August 17, 24. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. XRP Ledger sets new $1 trillion trust limit in Ripple USD, RLUSD. Black Small Square, a significant event on the XRP Ledger, involved setting a $1 trillion trust limit for Ripple USD, RLUSD, though no actual issuance of RLUSD has occurred yet. Black Small Square, this action serves as a preparatory framework for future transactions, reflecting the XRP Ledger's scalability and users' confidence in the ecosystem. Popular crypto analyst Amelie has brought the XRP community's attention to a significant event taking place on the XRP Ledger. As tweeted by Amelie, the XRP Ledger has set a new trust limit of $1 trillion in Ripple USD, RLUSD. Let's first understand the concept of trust lines and trust limits on the XRP Ledger. A trust line helps the user build a trusted relationship with the currency issuer on the XRP Ledger. After setting up the trust line, users enable the receipt of the issuer's currency up to a certain predefined limit, also known as the trust limit. This limit basically safeguards users from receiving more of the currency than they are willing to trust. In the case of Ripple, a trust line was created for RLUSD, setting up the trust limit of $1 million. This figure represents the maximum amount of RLUSD the account holder is willing to trust. However, there's no RLUSD transfer or creation in the process. Instead, this action simply establishes the framework for future transactions involving RLUSD on the ledger. Last week, Ripple started beta testing the RLUSD stablecoin, facilitating cross-border transactions between the XRP Ledger and Ethereum, reported CNF. XRP Ledger implications and community reaction. The $1 trillion trust limit, even in the absence of the actual asset, shows high flexibility and scalability of the XRP Ledger. Also, the ability of users also prompts questions about the role trust lines play in the issuance and circulation of digital assets on the XRP Ledger. With Ripple expanding its range of products and services, including the introduction of the RLUSD stablecoin, it becomes increasingly crucial to understand the technical workings of the XRP Ledger. RLUSD will compete in the highly competitive stablecoin landscape currently dominated by Tether's USDT and Circle's USDC, reported CNF. Interestingly, this announcement of the $1 trillion trust limit has also sparked some reactions from the community. Many users were actually curious to understand the purpose behind this trust limit. One community member, Aaron Motoras, confused it with some illicit activity, stating, "It means that this is a fake. RLUSD isn't issued yet. This is a trust line on the XRPL everybody can create, and everybody can name it as wanted. RLUSD will be issued by Ripple on the ledger but not as a trust line thing." Motoras clarified that while a trust line for RLUSD has been established, Ripple has not yet issued the asset. As a result, the substantial trust limit set does not represent an asset currently in circulation. Rather, it serves as a preparatory measure within the XRPL, while enabling users to set up trust lines in anticipation of RLUSD's future issuance. Dubai court recognizes crypto as a valid salary payment. UAE lawyer Irina Heaver said the ruling shows the growing acceptance of crypto in employment contracts, recognizing the evolving nature of Web3 financial transactions. In a significant update to the United Arab Emirates' judiciary approach to crypto, the Dubai Court of First Instance recognizes salary payments in crypto as valid under employment contracts. Irina Heaver, a partner at UAE law firm Neos Legal, explained that the ruling in case number 1739 of 2024 shows a shift from the court's earlier stance in 2023, where a similar claim was denied because the crypto involved lacked precise valuation. Heaver believes this shows a progressive approach to integrating digital currencies into the country's legal and economic framework. Dubai court recognizes inclusion of tokens in salary. Heaver said that the case involved an employee who filed a lawsuit claiming that the employer had not paid their wages, wrongful termination compensation, and other benefits. The worker's employment contract stipulated a monthly salary in fiat and 5,250 in EcoWatt tokens. The dispute stems from the employer's inability to pay the token's portion of the employee's salary in 6 months. In 2023, the court acknowledged the inclusion of the EcoWatts tokens in the contract. Still, it did not enforce the payment in crypto, as the employee failed to provide a clear method for valuing the currency in fiat terms. This decision reflected a traditional viewpoint, emphasizing the need for concrete evidence when dealing with unconventional payment forms, Heaver said. However, the lawyers said that in 2024, the court took a step forward, ruling in favor of the employee and ordering the payment of the crypto salary as per the employment contract without converting it into fiat. Heaver said, "This decision reflects a broader acceptance of cryptocurrency in employment contracts and highlights the court's recognition of the evolving nature of financial transactions within the Web3 economy." Heaver added that the court's reliance on the UAE Civil Transactions Law and Federal Decree Law No. 33 of 2021 in both judgments shows the consistent application of legal principles in wage determination. Cooking. Far-reaching implications for UAE crypto adoption. According to Heaver, the decision also sets a positive precedent that encourages the further integration of digital currencies in everyday financial transactions. The lawyer believes that this fosters a more inclusive and innovative business environment. Heaver said, "This ruling affirms that if an employment contract includes such terms, both the company and the employee must honor them. It is reassuring to see the court recognize that wages, whether paid in fiat or cryptocurrency, are the rightful entitlement of the employee for their agreed-upon work." Heaver added that it's a win for employees and a significant step forward in the UAE's journey toward becoming a digital economy leader. Bank of Ghana unveils draft rules for cryptocurrency exchanges. The Bank of Ghana introduces draft guidelines to regulate digital assets, focusing on exchanges and consumer protection measures. The Bank of Ghana, BOG, has proposed fresh regulatory measures for digital assets following an extensive internal review of Bitcoin, Tether, USDT, and other cryptocurrencies. On August 16, the Central Bank of the West African nation issued draft guidelines on digital assets while seeking feedback on the upcoming crypto regulations from the public and industry stakeholders. According to the BOG, data collected over 3 years shows a significant increase in Ghana's appetite for crypto. As a result, it intends to implement laws targeting risks related to money laundering and terrorism financing, fraud, and other measures for consumer protection. The central bank proposed an 8-pillar framework for crypto regulations, mainly intensifying the registration and reporting requirements of cryptocurrency exchanges or virtual asset service providers, VASPs. Ghana pays special attention to crypto exchanges. If signed into law, the proposed regulations will require crypto exchanges to monitor and report suspicious transactions and comply with the Financial Action Task Force's travel rule. Additionally, the bank plans to collaborate with external stakeholders such as commercial banks and offshore regulators. The bank would collaborate with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to develop distinct complementary regulatory frameworks that encompass various applications or use cases of digital assets. Curating crypto laws based on public feedback. Exchanges will also need to register with the BOG and undergo sandbox testing before being allowed to provide trading services in Ghana. The bank is currently seeking recommendations from industry players, experts, and the public until August 31. The bank will consider these inputs in determining the next steps forward, the draft proposal said. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: Dinar Recaps.